Welcome to MN Automation Academy Automation Pills. If you're managing sequences of operations, you should use a state machine. A state machine executes specific logic based on its current state and transitions to other states based on conditions. A simple way to do this in structured text is to declare an integer variable for this state and use a case statement in the main loop. In the states, according to the conditions of your logic, change the value of the state. This structure keeps logic organized and manageable even for complex processes. It's an essential pattern. If you're interested in more automation pills, interactive simulation exercises, or complete courses in industrial automation, please check out mnautomationacademy.com. Follow us on LinkedIn and YouTube for more updates.